Good guys, how are you? This is Alex and welcome to the behind the scenes of my pro model release. So, the main idea was to skate a snowboard snowpark rail with the streetboard and my pro model because it's what I enjoy the most in the snowpark. So I thought it would be really cool to have the shot for my pro model release. So that's where we're going right now. We're going to Andorra to the park, Peretol Snow Park. We're gonna try to set up some woods to create a run up and a landing, and to land a sick trick, hopefully in the snow park with my pro board. So the plan was really simple: just get wood, put them on the snow, and skate them. But it turned out a little bit more complicated than I expected. So the boards didn't fit on my beautiful Volkswagen. But they fit in the gnarly car of Juan Carlos, my homie, saving me one more time. I'll get some more. So far so good. We are just putting gas and they're getting 200 kilometers on the way to Andorra. So see you there. Morning from the Santa Park Parador. We have Juan Carlos car with the woods. And ready to see where we going. Well, as you see, snow season's coming to an end. A little bit windy today, but yeah, time for the streetboard. So I think we're gonna pick this one. This bad boy looks nice. What you can pick anyone you want. Which one would you pick? We're getting this one because for the wood we have and the run up and the landing, we don't want to get like too much speed on the landing. So we think this one can be really nice, but damn, it's so long. I think it's twice as long as a normal flatboard. Once I knew the rail I wanna hit, I had a good feeling about that. First thing was to unload all the woods. Good thing about having no snow is that we could take the car almost next to the rail, so that saved us a lot of time. First thing we realized is, yes, we are short on wood. Luckily, the guys from the Santa Barbara told they had some extra wood that I could use, but they were super narrow. They were like only 50 centimeters, but for the run-out, they were going to make the job. Now that we had a pretty long run-up, it was time for the first velocity test.
Listo para la primera prueba de velocidad. Dale, 3, 2, 1.
So right now I made the first tries, and first ones were really shitty. Actually, were kind of sketchy. I couldn't make it almost to the rail, but after all the wood and the help of Truji pushing me to the rail, I could make it almost to the very end. So I'm gonna take a little rest and keep going with the shooting. Another problem that we had is that when I landed, the wood on the landing were sliding a little bit, so we just put some nails on that and they made it work. The last problem that we had is that the kicker was a little bit too steep and it was like not really smooth, the transition. So big ups to the shapers of the park, Santa Paperetol, Saul, and Elias for making the kicker most like butter. And yeah, when they got the shovels on it, then it was perfect transition. We are ready to send it.
Vale, la chabanería, estamos ready.
Vale, pues nos vamos en 3, 2, 1, send it.
Yeah.
Yeah! Go!
Vale.
Well, first ride on the snow park were a little bit sketchy. It's a little bit windy, but with the help of Truji pushing me, I managed to get enough speed. And so far, I managed to land a 50-50 at mid-grind. I managed to land the late light and a nose runner. Let's see what else can I do. Bueno, last trick. Let's see if we can land it. So this is it. Oh, after 4 hours skating, that snow park rail, we finished it. Oh, happy to be able to land the trick that I landed, and so stoked to share and join my two passions. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like my board. And this is it. Thank you guys. Dragan out.